Gentle reminder, the art of polite prompting. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common but intriguing phrase in the English language, gentle reminder. This phrase is not just about reminding someone, but it's about how you do it. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important in both professional and personal communication. Gentle reminder is a phrase used to prompt someone about something they might have forgotten or overlooked, but in a polite and non-confrontational way. It's like saying, "Hey, I know you're busy, but don't forget about this." It's a soft nudge rather than a strict demand. Why choose a gentle reminder over a straightforward reminder? The key lies in maintaining relationships and respecting the other person's situation. By being gentle, you acknowledge the other person's potential busy schedule or forgetfulness without making them feel bad or defensive. Let's see how to incorporate gentle reminder in different contexts. 1. Emails. Just a gentle reminder that the report is due by Friday. 2. Messages. Hi, a gentle reminder about our meeting tomorrow. 3. In person. This is a gentle reminder to keep your phones on silent. Each of these examples shows a respectful and considerate approach to reminding someone. The tone of gentle reminder is crucial. It should be friendly and helpful, not passive-aggressive or demanding. The goal is to remind, not to scold. So, the choice of words around the phrase is as important as the phrase itself. That's all about gentle reminder. Remember, it's a wonderful tool in your communication toolkit to remind others without offending them. It's about being polite, respectful, and considerate. Hope this video helps you use gentle reminder effectively in your daily communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.